Hello, everyone. I am Tatsuaki Kawai, President and CEO of Brass Corporation. Thank you for watching the Brass IR channel. I would now like to explain our consolidated financial results for the first quarter of the fiscal year ending July 2024. Net sales were 3,212 million yen. This was 94% year-on-year. Ordinary profit was 272 million yen, 56.3% year-on-year. Quarterly net profit attributable to owners of parent was 171 million yen, 50.1% year-on-year. In the first quarter, both net sales and profits progressed in line with plan. However, as shown in the chart on the right, the main reason for the year-on-year decline is as follows. In the first quarter of the previous year, about 60 weddings scheduled during the pandemic were rescheduled, and that is reflected in the sales. Our consolidated earnings trend is shown here. We transitioned to consolidated accounting in the previous fiscal year, but even after that transition, 99% of net sales still comes from Brass on a standalone basis. Next, I will explain the KPI of our business. The number of weddings held was 774, 89.9% year-on-year. The number of bookings received was 784, 109.7% year-on-year. Average sales per wedding were 3,987,000 yen, 101.5% year-on-year. Next, I will provide supplementary information on each item. The number of weddings held remained steady. As I mentioned earlier, the year-on-year decrease was most affected by the completion of weddings postponed during the pandemic. Bookings in the first quarter built up strongly and were higher than in the previous year. This does not include bookings from the new venue we announced recently, so this was a pure increase at existing venues. Average sales per wedding remained strong. Guest counts also continued to recover gradually. The consolidated balance sheet is as follows. Next, some topics. As announced in November, we decided to open our 24th venue, our first new opening in 4 years. The location will be Nagahama City in Shiga Prefecture, and we plan to open in June 2024. Starting with this opening, we will move ahead with an active venue expansion strategy. Our dress shop, Bidresse Osaka, opened in January. Also in January, one of our consolidated subsidiaries will open a new photo wedding studio in Nagoya, Aichi Prefecture. As announced on November 15th, after considering our corporate value and future growth potential, we determined that our current share price level is undervalued, and we therefore decided to acquire treasury stock of up to 300,000 shares and up to 200 million yen. Now I will move to the Q&A session and answer questions submitted by viewers. Here is the first question. Our plan for this fiscal year calls for lower profit than in the previous year. What are the main factors behind that decline? In addition to capital investment for the Nagahama venue in Shiga and the dress shop in Osaka, we are also hiring many people for those openings. Because costs inevitably come first, we expect these initiatives to begin contributing to earnings from the next fiscal year onward. The second question. Regarding the recent timely disclosure on our new venue opening, please tell us why you chose Nagahama City in Shiga Prefecture. Well, whether it's land or a building, it's all about the right encounter. There are many areas where we would like to open venues. I have a lot of maps. When I look at a map, I often think I would love to open a venue near this station. There are probably around 100 such stations across Japan. However, it is not as easy as opening a venue simply because we want to. This time, the right land and the right building happen to be in Nagahama, Shiga. In the future, I would like to open venues in all 47 prefectures. In that context, being able to open our first venue in Shiga this time is very significant. I am very pleased about it, and I believe we can provide great weddings to the people of Shiga. Here is the third question. You have previously said that the Kanto area is your top priority for new openings. Is there any reason why that has not happened yet? Well, it goes back to what I mentioned earlier. We really want to expand into Kanto, but Kanto is a very large area. Currently, we have one venue in Funabashi City, Chiba, since Chiba has a population similar to Aichi Prefecture. So we are looking extensively in Chiba, as well as in neighboring Saitama, and of course in Kanagawa and Tokyo. We will continue steadily searching for strong locations, and our development team is also very well prepared for that effort. Please look forward to it. That concludes our Q&A session. Thank you for watching this video. We will continue our business activities to achieve our performance goals for this period, and we appreciate your ongoing support. We're taking questions about this video and our financial results, so please reach out to us here. Also, if you have any questions you'd like us to answer in a video, please send them our way. Well then, we'll see you at the next earnings report. Goodbye.